Welcome to Goa. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the region known as the Konkan and geographically separated from the Deccan Highlands by the Western Ghats. It is surrounded by the Indian states of Maharashtra to the north and Karnataka to the east and south, with the Arabian Sea forming its western coast. It is India's smallest state by area and the fourth smallest by population. Goa has the highest GDP per capita among all Indian states, 2.5 times that of the country. It was ranked the best placed state by the 11th Finance Commission for its infrastructure and ranked on top for the best quality of life in India by the National Commission on Population based on the 12 indicators. Panaji is the state's capital, while Vasco da Gama is its largest city. The historic city of Margao still exhibits the cultural influence of the Portuguese, who first landed in the early 16th century as merchants and conquered it soon thereafter. Goa was a former state of the Portuguese Empire. The Portuguese overseas territory of Portuguese India existed for about 450 years until it was annexed by India in 1961. Its majority and official language is Konkani. Goa is visited by large numbers of international and domestic tourists each year for its white sand beaches, nightlife, places of worship, and World Heritage listed architecture. It has rich flora and fauna, owing to its location on the Western Ghats Range, a biodiversity hotspot. Prehistory. Rock art engravings found in Goa exhibit the earliest traces of human life in India. Goa, situated within the Shimoga-Goa Greenstone Belt in the Western Ghats, yields evidence for Acheulean occupation. Rock art engravings are present on laterite platforms and granite boulders in Usgalimal near the west-flowing Kushavati River and in Kajur. In Kajur, the rock engravings of animals, tectiforms, and other designs in granite have been associated with what is considered to be a megalithic stone circle with a round granite stone in the center. Petroglyphs, cones, stone axe, and choppers dating to 10,000 years ago have been found in various locations in Goa, including Kazur, Moxim, and the Mandvi Basin. Evidence of Paleolithic life is visible at Dabolin, Adko, Shigao, Fatorpa, Arli, Molinguinim, Diwar, Sanguim, Pailan, and Aquem Margao. Early Goan society underwent radical change when Indo-Aryan and Dravidian migrants amalgamated with the aboriginal locals, forming the base of early Goan culture. Early history. In the 3rd century BC, Goa was part of the Maurya Empire, ruled by the Buddhist emperor Ashoka of Magadh. Buddhist monks laid the foundation of Buddhism in Goa. Between the 2nd century BC and the 6th century AD, Goa was ruled by the Bhojas of Goa. Chutus of Karwar also ruled some parts as feudatories of the Satavahanas of Kolhapur, Western Kshatrapas, the Abhiras of Western Maharashtra, Bhojas of the Yadav clans of Gujarat, and the Konkan Mauryas as feudatories of the Kalachuris. The rule later passed to the Chalukyas of Badami, who controlled it between 578 and 753, and later the Rashtrakutas of Malkh from 753 to 963. From 765 to 1015, the southern Silharas of Konkan ruled Goa as the feudatories of the Chalukyas and the Rashtrakutas. Over the next few centuries, Goa was successively ruled by the Kadambas as the feudatories of the Chalukyas of Kalyani. They patronized Jainism in Goa. In 1312, Goa came under the governance of the Delhi Sultanate. The kingdom's grip on the region was weak, and by 1370 it was forced to surrender it to Harihara I of the Vijayanagara Empire. The Vijayanagara monarchs held on to the territory until 1469, when it was appropriated by the Bahmani Sultans of Gulbarga. After that dynasty crumbled, the area fell into the hands of the Adil Shahis of Bijapur, who established as their auxiliary capital, the city known under the Portuguese as Vilha Goa or Old Goa. The Mahadev temple, attributed to the Kadambas of Goa, in what is today Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary and Molam National Park. Portuguese period. The Se Cathedral at Old Goa, built in 1619, is an example of Portuguese architecture and is one of the largest churches in Asia. In 1510, the Portuguese defeated the ruling Bijapur Sultan Yusuf Adil Shah with the help of a local ally, Timoji, a privateer. They set up a permanent settlement in Vilha Goa. This was the beginning of Portuguese colonial rule in Goa that would last for 4.5 centuries until its annexation in 1961. The Goa Inquisition, a formal tribunal, was established in 1560 and was finally abolished in 1812. In 1843, the Portuguese moved the capital to Panaji from Vilha Goa. By the mid-18th century, Portuguese Goa had expanded to most of the present-day state limits. Simultaneously, the Portuguese lost other possessions in India until their borders stabilized and formed the Estado da India Portuguesa or State of Portuguese India. Contemporary period. After India gained independence from British rule in 1947, India requested that Portuguese territories on the Indian subcontinent be ceded to India. Portugal refused to negotiate on the sovereignty of its Indian enclaves. On 19 December 1961, the Indian Army invaded with Operation Vijay, resulting in the annexation of Goa and of Daman and Diu Islands into the Indian Union. Goa, along with Daman and Diu, was organized as a centrally administered Union territory of India. On 30 May 1987, the Union territory was split and Goa was made India's 25th state, with Daman and Diu remaining a Union territory. Geography and climate. Geography. Goa is a part of the coastal country known as the Konkan, which is an escarpment rising up to the Western Ghats range of mountains, which separate it from the Deccan Plateau. The highest point is the Sonsogar, with an altitude of 1,167 meters. Goa has a coastline of 160 kilometers. Goa's 7 major rivers are the Zuari, Mandvi, Terekol, Chapora, Galgibag, Kumbarjia Canal, Talpona and the Sal. The Zuari and the Mandvi are the most important rivers, interspaced by the Kumbarjia Canal, forming a major estuarine complex. These rivers are fed by the southwest monsoon rain, and their basin covers 69% of the state's geographical area. These rivers are some of the busiest in India. Goa has more than 40 estuarine, 8 marine, and about 90 riverine islands. The total navigable length of Goa's rivers is 253 kilometers. Goa has more than 300 ancient watertanks built during the rule of the Kadamba dynasty and over 100 medicinal springs. The Mormugao harbour on the mouth of the river Zuari is one of the best natural harbours in South Asia. Most of Goa's soil cover is made up of laterites rich in ferric aluminium oxides and reddish in color. Further inland and along the riverbanks, the soil is mostly alluvial and loamy. The soil is rich in minerals and humus, thus conducive to agriculture. Some of the oldest rocks in the Indian subcontinent are found in Goa between Molim and Anmod on Goa's border with Karnataka. The rocks are classified as strongymitic gneiss, estimated to be 3,600 million years old, dated by rubidium isotope dating. A specimen of the rock is exhibited at Goa University. Flora and fauna. Equatorial forest cover in Goa stands at 1,500 square kilometers, most of which is owned by the government. Most of the forests in the state are located in the interior eastern regions of the state. The Western Ghats, which form most of eastern Goa, have been internationally recognized as one of the biodiversity hotspots of the world. Goa's wildlife sanctuaries boast of more than 1512 documented species of plants, over 275 species of birds, over 48 kinds of animals, and over 60 genera of reptiles. Goa is also known for its coconut cultivation. The coconut tree has been reclassified by the government as a palm, enabling farmers and real estate developers to clear land with fewer restrictions. Rice is the main food crop, and pulses, ragi, and other food crops are also grown. Main cash crops are coconut, cashew nut, areca nut, sugarcane, and fruits like pineapple, mango, and banana. Goa's state animal is the gaur. The state bird is the ruby-throated yellow bulbul, which is a variation of black-crested bulbul, and the state tree is the matti. Agriculture, while of shrinking importance to the economy over the past 4 decades, offers part-time employment to a sizable portion of the populace. Rice is the main agricultural crop, followed by areca, cashew, and coconut. Fishing employs about 40,000 people, though recent official figures indicate a decline of the importance of this sector and also a fall in catch, due perhaps to traditional fishing giving way to large-scale mechanized trawling. Tourism. Tourism is generally focused on the coastal areas of Goa, with lower tourist activity inland. In 2010, there were more than 2 million tourists reported to have visited Goa, about 1.2 million of whom were from abroad. As of 2013, Goa was a destination of choice for Indian and foreign tourists, particularly Britons and Russians, with limited means who wanted to party. The state was hopeful that changes could be made which would attract a more upscale demographic. One of the biggest tourist attractions in Goa is water sports. Beaches like Baga and Kalangute offer jet skiing, parasailing, banana boat rides, water scooter rides, and more. Patnam Beach in Palolem stood third in CNN Travel's top 20 beaches in Asia. Over 450 years of Portuguese rule and the influence of the Portuguese culture presents to visitors to Goa a cultural environment that is not found elsewhere in India. Goa is often described as a fusion between Eastern and Western culture, with Portuguese culture having a dominant position in the state, be it in its architectural, cultural, or social settings. The state of Goa is famous for its excellent beaches, churches, and temples. The Bom Jesus Cathedral, Fort Aguada, and the new Wax Museum on Indian history, culture, and heritage in Old Goa are other tourism destinations. Historic sites and neighborhoods. Goa has 2 World Heritage Sites, the Bom Jesus Basilica and churches and convents of Old Goa. The basilica holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier, regarded by many Catholics as the patron saint of Goa. These are both Portuguese-era monuments and reflect a strong European character. The relics are taken down for veneration and for public viewing, per the prerogative of the Church in Goa, not every 10 or 12 years as popularly thought and propagated. The last exposition was held in 2014. Museums and Science Center. Goa has 3 important museums: the Goa State Museum, the Naval Aviation Museum, and the National Institute of Oceanography. The Aviation Museum is one of 3 in India. Dance and music. Traditional Goan art forms are Dekhni, Fugdi, Koridinho, Mando, Dulpod, and Fado. Goan Catholics are fond of social gatherings and theatre or teatro. As part of its Portuguese history, music is an integral part of Goan homes. It is often said that Goans are born with music and sport. Western musical instruments like the piano, guitars, and violins are widely used in most religious and social functions of the Catholics. Architecture. The architecture of Goa is a combination of Goan, Ottoman, and Portuguese styles. Since the Portuguese ruled and governed for 4 centuries, many churches, and houses bear a striking element of the Portuguese style of architecture. Goan Hindu houses do not show any Portuguese influence, though the modern temple architecture is an amalgam of original Goan temple style with Dravidian, Hemadpanthi, Islamic, and Portuguese architecture. The original Goan temple architecture fell into disuse as the temples were demolished by the Portuguese, and the sthapati known as Thavai in Konkani were converted to Christianity, though the wooden work and the Kavi murals can still be seen. Thank you, and please subscribe.